Your diesel engine is sputtering, you are losing fuel economy by the mile, and that check engine light is staring you right in the face. If you have scanned your vehicle and pulled up the code P0253, specifically regarding the injection pump fuel metering control low, you might be wondering if your fuel pump is dead. Before you panic and spend a fortune, let us break this down because it is often an electrical gremlin rather than a mechanical catastrophe. This code pops up frequently on Fords, Chevys, Rams, and it is especially common on certain Mercedes-Benz and VW models. Basically, your engine has a fuel rack position sensor and a fuel quantity actuator, usually mounted right on the side of the injection pump. The sensor's job is to tell the main computer, which we call the PCM, exactly how much fuel is being delivered. It does this by sending a voltage signal. The computer expects a certain voltage based on how hard the engine is working. When code P0253 sets, it means that voltage signal dropped too low, usually under 0.3 volts, for too long. The computer thinks something is wrong with the circuit and cannot manage the fuel correctly. The good news is that this is not usually a severe mechanical failure, meaning your engine is likely safe, but the computer will try to compensate, which ruins your mileage. To fix this, we need to get our hands dirty, but in a smart way. First off, do not just start ripping parts out. Check for Technical Service Bulletins or TSBS for your specific year and model, because manufacturers often release updates for known glitches like this. If there are no bulletins, pop the hood and locate that fuel rack position sensor on the injection pump. We are looking for the connector and the wiring. You need to inspect this closely. Look for any wires that might be rubbing against the engine block, any melted plastic, or burn spots. Pull the connector apart and look inside at the metal terminals. If you see a green crusty substance, that is corrosion, and it is likely your enemy. Grab some electrical contact cleaner and a plastic brush to scrub that clean. Let it dry. Put some dielectric grease on it and reconnect. If you have a scan tool, clear the code and see if it comes back. If it returns, we need to grab a digital voltmeter. With the key off, unplug the sensor. Connect your black lead to the ground terminal and the red lead to the power terminal on the harness side. Turn the key on, but do not start the engine. You should see either 12 volts or 5 volts depending on your car manual. If that looks good, check the signal wire. Move your red lead to the signal terminal. It should read 5 volts. If these voltages are correct, your wiring and computer are likely fine, and you are unfortunately looking at a failed sensor or actuator. But usually, it is just a bad connection or a broken wire saving you from a major repair bill.